Good morning, children, from Little Bird School. Today I am explaining chapter number 3, Government, of second part, Social Science subject of Standard 7th. Our topic is the government at different levels. The government is responsible for providing various facilities in different fields. Yes, children, government providing facilities in different fields. How does the government arrange for all this? It means, how can government manage to give the facility to each and every citizen of India? India is a vast country. It means India is a very big country. If the administration was centralized, many problems would arise and will cause inconvenience to the citizen will be inconvenienced. It means if the government manage all these things to providing facilities, many of the problems would arise. Sometimes people were inconvenient. It means people were unsatisfied with their work because the problem arises that in the whole India, sometimes people doesn't get that facility, so they were inconvenienced or unsatisfied. Therefore, our government works at different level. So the government decided that the government should do work at different levels. Which are these levels? See, first local level, second state level, and third national level. I am repeating another time. The government do their work at different levels. The level are first local level, second state level, and third national level. Local level government is concerned with the affairs of villages and cities. What did the local level government do? Yes, the local level government is related or is considered with the affairs of villages as well as cities. State level government. State level government deals with the matters of only state, while the government at national level, yes, the government at national level is responsible for the work related to the entire nation. It means the whole nation. You have already studied about the local level and will learn about the state government in the next unit. It means in the next chapter you will study about this chapter of particular topic like state government. In the next class you will learn about the national government, therefore the central government. Our next topic, the government and law. The government frame laws and they must be obeyed by all citizens. It means the government make laws or implement laws, and it is our duty, it is the citizens' duty to obey that laws. Law and order is very important for proper functioning of the government. Yes, whatever the government has do for the proper functioning, law and order is a very important. It is very necessary. The government has the authority to make as well as implement laws. The government has that power. Which power? To make the laws. It means to implement the laws. Let us take an example. You must have a ticket while traveling by a train. If you are caught traveling without a ticket, you have to either pay a penalty or go to jail. See children, if you are traveling in the train and you have to buy a ticket, it is compulsory to every passenger. But if you didn't have a ticket or you didn't buy a ticket, then you have to pay a penalty or either you have to go jail. Even though the government may work lawfully, government do all the lot of work in their particular manner. In the case of citizen, if the citizens feels that the laws are not being executed properly, they have the right to raise their voice or even go to the court. The court can order the government to take appropriate measures. It means if the citizens has a feel that some people does not follow the rules or regulations, does not follow the law, does not obey the law, then they can raise their voice and also go to the court, and they can order the government. They should speak about this type of situation that they didn't obey the law. So the government has taken an appropriate measures. The government has taken a right way. Up to this, children, now I am giving some homework to you. In previous topic, I would discuss or I explaining about the topic like the government at different levels. From that particular topic, I given some questions. You have to write and you have to find out the answer. So the questions are: question number 1, how many different levels does the government has? How many different levels does the government has? Which are they? Now second question is, what is the work of local level government? Repeating another time, what is the work of local level government? Next question, question number 3, what is the work of state level government? I am repeating this question, what is the work of state level government? Now our last question, question number 4, what is the work of national or union level government? What is the work of national or union level government? Up to this, children, so this is your homework. You have to find out these answers. In our next lecture, we will discuss about this answer. Okay, children? Thank you.